Artie McYarty here with another one. Hey folks, out here in Northeast Florida, and you know what? We got palm trees here too. Yep. And every so often, when your palm fronds turn that brown yellow, yeah, it's kind of unsightly. So we like to prune them with a pole saw. But I'm tired of using those manual pole saws. Yeah, that's right. Ego for the win. Finally, I got myself their version of their pole saw attachment. Let's test it out. Let's go.
Dad, why the birds just burned up?
Right off the bat, let's just get it out there. This thing is effortless. No more straining my arms and my wrists, pulling a saw back and forth. No more buying expensive replacement saw blades, worrying about sharpening them. No more looking on Amazon and not finding the right configuration that you need. Lowe's and Ace Hardware, they both got replacement chains. These chains are going to last for quite a while on you. And if you so choose, you can sharpen a chain just like you do on your chainsaw. Before you leave the store, make sure you pick up a little jug of the chain oil. So you can pick up this pole saw attachment if you already have the power head, and it's $1.99 plus another 5% off if you get yourself a Lowe's card. Pro tip, when picking up and gathering those palm fronds, always pick them up from the leaf part of it versus the stem. Then you avoid getting stabbed by those thorns.
Say my name, groovy, 한 걸음걸이 거울 앞에 서봐 누가 제일 핫해 Look at me now so savage 빛이 나 언제나 두껍게 떠올라 All day 깊이 빠져들지 내 같으면 분위기가 up 너도 나를 원해 감추지 마 절대 한 입에 없는 캔디처럼 좀 더 돼 Let's make it loud 오늘 밤에 미쳐 돌아가 Rhythm 위에 춤춰 걷지 말고 follow Let me hear you say 이건 warning sign